It's March 29th, 2022. I ordered this fucking flag from Amazon on about the 5th of March. It was supposed to arrive, worst case, by the 15th, and here it is 2 weeks after the worst case, and it finally arrived. This is from China, and unsurprisingly, the flag is a complete piece of shit. It's got 1 grommet on it. What the hell do I do with 1 grommet? I'm partway through putting up the flag. Not only does this flag only have 1 grommet, but it's also really a piece of crap. Instead of being 2 pieces of fabric sewed together, a blue piece of solution dyed nylon sewed to a yellow piece of solution dyed nylon, it's 1 piece of fabric with 2 colors of dye on it. This is going to last about, I don't know, a month maybe, I think, before it looks bad. Maybe it won't even last that long. Anyhow, the reason I'm in such a sour mood is because it's really cold. So I'm warming up for a second. Alright, there you have it. I wish I'd bought a better flag. Corrected the orientation of the flag somewhat. The blue's on top now. However, the piping on the left side is on the right side. I flipped it over on both axes. Damn. Oh well, it's too cold and windy to fix that.